It's asking 0.9 as a fraction. So again, we're converting from a decimal to a fraction, right? So what we can do here is I have 0.9. And as you can see, the whole part is 0, so I don't care about it. But I care about this part here, because this part, 9 is in the tens digit. So you can say that the denominator is going to be 10, and the numerator is simply just the decimal. So whatever is in the place, which is going to equal 9. So this here is our fraction for 0.9, right? And again, 9 over 10 is the reduced form, so we don't have to reduce this any further. So therefore, I can say 0.9 is 9 over 10 as a fraction. And so this solution here is correct. And again, as I look here, it says fraction value. Here, 0.9 is the value that can be written in the form P over Q. So it's 9 over 10. So the solution here is correct.